Hi, this is Emily. Thanks for coming back. Today, I'm gonna check out award site of the day, Pluto by 14 Islands from Sweden. I've never seen it before, so let's just open it up and see what the site's about and see what it even looks like. Okay, you got a loading screen. It says 0%, but it's moving. It might want to change as it's moving. Okay, there you go. That was a long 0%. Now we're at 100. Alrighty. Come on. Wow, okay. I'm sensing a Fibonacci sequence going on here. So I'm just going to move myself back to the corner and collapse that. Collapse. Come on, Loom. Oh my goodness. Okay, move to the side, collapse. Okay. Oh wow. That like a blender thing? Available in XR? Something reality maybe? Okay, XR. Physical, I don't even know where to start. Physical location. We help humanity transcend physical location. Huh, okay. We help humanity transcend physical location. A lot of hover interactions. What happens when I hover over that? Nothing. Okay. Wow, there's a lot. And then some is like more sticky than others. With Pluto, people can access powerful XR. It doesn't say what XR is. External reality? I don't know. Okay. Be part of booting up the next reality of computing. I like these buttons though. That's pretty cool. Okay. This is such a whoa. What is that? Did you see that? How do you what the heck is that? Okay. Wow. All right. Spatial first. Like I don't even know what's happening. What is XR? XRPCs from anywhere. XR. I'm just going to Google this. What is an XR? XRPC. What is that? XR. What is XR? What is XR? Extended reality. Okay. I wonder if they had that anywhere in the site. Like, it doesn't make sense on what even XR is. Now, extended reality. Okay. Wow. That's so cool. Connect across multiple extended reality apps. Wow. And it reacts with me. That's so cool. Okay. Connect as if you were in person. Experience a more personal, intuitive, and trustworthy ways to communicate in a remote environment. Contributing to open standards. Pluto bases on industry standards and are actively part of an open ecosystem, sharing the method and the means in which someone can make apps that work alongside each other with people no matter where they are. Okay. Extend your reality. Join us. Okay. So what even is Pluto? Like I'm getting that there's a thing with different ways to do stuff. So like what does this all mean? Is there like a navigation bar that I could go to? Um so yeah, all the animations are really cool. I just don't know who you are or what you're all about. And I feel like clicking on a button is a lot of like commitment because I don't know how to come back to this page. We're hiring. Where do I go? Learn more. Okay. Plutosphere.com. Oh, okay. So this is Pluto app, and then this is Pluto Sphere. PC VR on your Quest. Pluto Sphere lets you play high-end PC personal computer VR games without needing a computer. Oh, that makes more sense. Okay, okay. Okay. So what where do I go from here? Connect across. So I feel like it would make a lot more sense to me if I was their their target audience. But yeah, this is such a cool website. It's really really neat. Available in XR. So you can actually use your headset to check this out. So that's really cool. We're hiring. Reach out. What do they say? What is this section? Get in contact. So like what happens if I click this? Move away. Oh wait, that opens up the email. I'm not a big fan of that because I like to know what your email is because the email that I click on here might not be my favorite kind of email, or I may have multiple emails, one for personal, one for work. It'd be a lot easier if you just had like what your email was instead of making the decision for me on what email I'm going to use. Let's see. Join us. What do they have here? Okay, so this is a totally different website, like a third party. Cloud services, extended reality designer. Okay. What else have I missed? There was something connect as if you were real. Download app. There were a couple places to download the app. So, oh, it's on Steam. Okay. Oh, that's cool. Nice. All review. No, mostly negative. No. Pluto is a well. Sometimes when it's in the beta, that makes sense. Um, so don't be too tough on that. Wow. Pluto is a new way for you to connect with anyone from anywhere in the world by enabling more natural virtual communication, Steam, all that kind of stuff. So that's really really cool. Oh wow, you can see the video here on like how they interact with stuff. Oh, this is a meeting? Oh, that is funny. Wow. So obviously this is the start of something that will one day be way way more advanced. Oh, this is so cool. So overall, we have a couple different ones. We have the Pluto app. That's kind of like a experience, like a Fibonacci sequence experience, which has really cool stuff. But I did want to check out what their page speed was, because sometimes it's my computer that's slow. So I just wanted to check that out. So Pluto app. So you take this, and if you haven't seen somebody do this before, you can go to Page Speed Insights, and it will see. Nope, that's not the one I want. Come on, copy, and then jump over here. Come on, and then place that right there. Pluto app. See how fast this website is. I'm working on my own actually right now. It's pretty low because I just redid it, so I have to rework all of my images and stuff like that to make them faster. And while it's doing that, I want to check out who made this. So 14 Islands, let's check out their stuff. 14 Islands. We are a creative design and development studio that cares deeply about building great user experiences, established 2011, Stockholm, Sweden. Okay. So what's your website like? View our work, learn about us, or reach out. 14 Islands. Come on. Do I have to scroll for things to show up? Or is it still loading in? Oh, okay. Okay, it's a lot of stuff. I feel like your transitions are a little fast. Like it's hard for me to see what you're doing, or take each project in. But maybe it's kind of like trying to overwhelm you of like, we have so much stuff. Like, this is just a preview of all the stuff that we can do. Just keep scrolling and keep checking out the website. We make memorable sites that build fun experiences using cutting edge tech. We create lovable products going from we make memorable sites that help grow your. I can't get to the end of the sentence before it changes. Um okay. I do like these hover interactions that you have here. They're so unique and cool. Like, you see that? I've never seen that before. I love to know how you did that. It's so cool. Yeah. This is one of the coolest sites I've been on in a long time just because of this. That's really cool. Oh, I'm all excited about that. Yeah, look how cool that is. Oh my gosh. This is so well done. Okay, that's really cool. Okay, so I'm not going to obviously go into everything. I'm curious. Dive into our lab. What does that mean? This is such a cool site. Something fell in the background. Okay, where am I now? 14 Islands Lab. What kind of lab is this? Play, explore, and share. Wow. This animation is so cool. Disco Brain. What? What? 3D experience. Santa. Oh, wow. This is so cool. The lab is where we share our own passion projects, experiments, and innovations that arise along the way. That is so neat. Okay. So let me go back to work. Come on. Okay, where are we going? All right. So that's them. And so I'm going to go back to PageSpeed Insights. Okay, so it was a little slow. Mobile is always slower than desktop. So let's check out desktop. Desktop. Okay. So it says that first contentful paint. But the cool thing about this is that it tells you like how to speed things up. And I use this all the time. Mine isn't the fastest in the world at the moment, so I'm just sharing how you can like learn about it and look at your stuff. So it gives you different things on how you can speed things up, what your opportunities are, and stuff like that. Somebody actually shared this with me a while ago, and it helped me so much. But yeah, it's interesting to see what page speed insights, because sometimes it's your own computer, sometimes it's the site itself. But overall, I think like your the design company, like the design firm, your website is so cool. Like the animations that you have are so advanced, and it seems like you worked on a whole bunch of different projects. Pluto, the website, is really impressive, super interactive, super cool. They're hiring if you're interested. They're on Steam, and like Pluto itself sounds pretty interesting. Um, like the whole concept and having more of a interaction where all of you are in like the same environment, even if you're not able to be in the same place, is really really neat. And yeah, and I learned a new word of expansive reality, which is kind of cool. But yeah, so that was the end of my review. Thanks. If you want to learn about me, you can find me at Emily, Emily, at greatdesignlead.com. I make websites. I'm a web designer and Webflow developer. And so you can find me at greatdesignlead.com, this YouTube channel. And you can also find my podcast, which is the Great Design Lead podcast, which you'll find on Apple Podcasts or Spotify or anywhere you can get your podcasts. But yeah, have a great rest of your day. And this was a good start to mine. See ya.